Here's the sand roll kit I used. Cartridge and spiral roll set from Harbor Freight. I was kind of leery about buying. And one reason why I was leery about buying is because if you look up the reviews on these, there's a lot of people say this shank, and a lot of the reviews people say that they break. It's like, I don't know what the heck they're doing to break these. They must be pushing like mad, like down like that. There's no need to do that. I say they're just fine for porting. I used that and I used the heck out of it. The only thing I'd have to say is these cartridge rolls, being they're Harbor Freight and they're Chinese, the sandpaper's not that good. I went through, I don't know how many of them, some of them unrolled if you start spinning them too fast. But the sandpaper doesn't really last like it should. That's all the ones I used. I don't know how many I went through. I say the sandpaper could be made out of better stuff. Doesn't stay sharp very long. That's just typical cheap Chinese sandpaper. There's probably some out there that some company makes that's better quality. Just like doing body work. You buy cheapy sandpaper, it ain't worth a dang, ain't worth a crap. Buy a good sandpaper. And I think these, like I say, these sand rolls could be made out of better stuff. Anyways, that's my opinion on them. These shanks or arbors are fine. They're not going to break on you unless you, like I say, you start ramming down on it, which I guess with some of this cheapy sandpaper you might have to, but work fine on the cylinder heads.